This is a 1989 model Subaru Brumby. I'm going to be doing the recovery hooks on the front end. I put this one on a while back. I've given it a test. I've towed a few people out. And I've been towed out once or twice with it as well. I've got a video of towing a Hilux out with this one. I'll put that video just here. Can you get it past the catch? You right?
Just get shit out of him. One of us is gonna fall. She's gonna fall. She's gonna fall. She's gonna fall. This is not gonna work. You're just digging a hole. Nah, not happening. No, no. Stop, stop, wait for him to go back with us. Dumbass. Hey, we got finally. Keep going. Kinda can't, he has no grip. Oh, it's smoking. No, we're smoking. Dad! Shit. Okay, we're good, we're good. Mason! Gonna hit us.
This one comes in a packet like this with all the nuts and bolts and everything to mount it. Now I'll put it on that plate. The top hole was a smaller hole. When I put the other one on, I drilled both of them out to 13mm, just in case I wanted to put a hook on this side. If the other side wasn't successful, I just wouldn't have gone any further, but it was, so I got this other one. Now I'll put it on. So here's the hook. This little safety plate thing, stop things falling off the hook. Bolt through there. Putting the washer on the other side. I'm doing that to spread the load on the plate connected to the car. And reduce the chance of the nut pulling through. As I do have the washer on there, which would suggest that you put the washer on this side, but I prefer put it on the other side and have the load spread onto the car. Yeah, it's through. Washer and the nut. This came with nylock nuts, so you don't need spring washers or anything like that. The bolt side is an 18mm and the nut side is a 19mm. That first one's not completely tight. Just loosen them off just a little bit. Just so I can make sure that's all the way up. I don't want it hanging down any more than necessary. There we go, that one's good to go. Then to put anything on it, just push back on that, slide your snatch strap or whatever you want in there. That's the new one I just put on. And that's the one that's been used a few times. Hope this helps. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.